Alright, let's take a look on this side. It is March 10th, 2013. Kind of a warm day today, so thought I'd take a look at the bees, a little peek inside, see what we got. Pretty active. On the bottom, flying in and out. If you can see down in there with the camera, there's a few working their way up to the top here. I think I'll just crack that box open and just peek and to see if there's another box. We got 5 frames of bees in the middle box. I don't know what we got for stores up here. Oh, alright. We got 1, 2, 3, half a dozen frames or more of honey in the top. So we're going to let them guys go. Those are up. Don't want to keep things open too long. It's about 50 degrees. Kind of a hazy day. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay. A couple of hives here, my nephews. I peeked in here a couple hours ago and see if there was still bees. I can't believe there's still bees in this hive. It's a single deep. I normally winter 2 deeps and a medium around here in central New York, just to be on the safe side for honey stores. This was a late swarm he caught late in the season. It was August, I think. He never really did anything with them. I kept telling him gotta get another box on there, and he never did. He said, "Yeah, they'll never make it through the winter." Let me show you what we got here. There's a lot of bees in there. They're a nice dark bee. They must have a lot of carniola in them. Really, when I opened the hive, they weren't happy to see me, but I didn't have smoke then. Holy cow. These guys are going to be real happy to see some sugar, I think. I don't think they can have much of a storage left. Look at all them bees. Hey, look. Here's the queen. She just went down inside. I can't believe I even seen the queen. Put you back up here. Outside frame to see if there's any honey at all left. And you got a little bit of capped right there. Crystallized down in there, but had to get them through starvation. Holy cow. They still got a lot of honey left. I'm not even going to bother feeding these guys. These guys are definitely going to get grafted off them for queens this summer. but that's all honey. You got a lot of it. Put a bit on that side. 3 frames with capped honey in it. 4 frames with capped honey. They look like they needed some pollen. I'll tell you, won't hurt these guys a bit. They need room to go. This is all single queen right now. No honey on these guys. Hopefully they move over to the side and discover they got honey in there. I just want to see if there's brood. These guys close back up. Don't see any. There's the queen. They're on top of the frame. I didn't see any brood. I didn't see much of pollen. I'm going to suggest that if we can get some pollen patties, that ain't even a deep frame, that's a medium frame. What goes with that one? Gotta straighten that bottom out. Thanks for watching. Okay, got one more here I'm gonna go through. Another one of my nephews. There's a video of me shaking this hive. And there's a swarm out of a pine tree in a box with my nephew. He was out of town. His wife had never done it before, so I went and helped her out. They took right off, did really well this summer. I can see lots of honey. These guys are booming pretty good. I'll give you a little look at it. They seem pretty calm. I mean, I'm touching them. They're not stinging me at all. Pretty calm. A little bit of smoke helps. I just looked at that hive earlier, opened the top, and I reached around to straighten the bottom, and my whole hand, well, I had glove on, covered with stingers. But I don't know if you can see in there, but there's capped honey there, and at least there. Looks like over here we got 2 or 3 over there too, so these guys got plenty of honey. Warming up. brushy mountains only have a lip on one side. Cut a hole in there. I don't know. They were like that when he got him, or whether he cut that in there. Good job. Alright, close them up.